So this is the unboxing and setup of the AirPods Pro 2, the second generation of Apple AirPods. And this, according to many people, are the best AirPods ever made and probably even the best earbuds in the market. So let's unbox this and set them up. Of course, you have to turn them on their back and then give them that satisfying Apple new box peel. There you go. The usual paperwork. Then you have the AirPods, and under those AirPods, you have extra tips. There you go. So on the AirPods themselves, they've put the medium tips, and then you have small, large, and then this time they added extra small tips for those people with extremely small ears. So you have a wider range of tips to choose from. And then of course you get the Lightning to Type-C cable. That's normal. And then the AirPods themselves. So there's the case. It looks very, very familiar. The LED light is at the back. And then you have this for attaching to something like a string or your keys. You can attach them from here. You have the pairing button here, the charging port at the bottom, and also this time you get a speaker on the AirPods case. So it's very, very interesting. So let's go ahead and pair this to this iPhone immediately. So as usual, all you need to do is open the case next to the phone and then hit connect. And as you might have heard, the AirPods case is making sounds. So let's go ahead and skip this for now and then tap on continue. And that's it. The AirPods are now connected. And now, once they're connected, at least in iOS 16, if you hit settings, you should find a dedicated AirPods application there. As long as they're connected, you should find this here. So you can tap on that, and these are going to be named a default name. And you can see the battery of the AirPods, the case. You can adjust transparency and noise cancelling from here. It's basically the whole deal with a few extra things. For instance, you have extra feature called adaptive transparency. And then you have many other things which I'll go through in subsequent videos. But that's the unboxing and pairing of the AirPods Pro 2. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.